the D-boy? Where you from 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 the D-boy?
Yo, man. Fuck TJ, man, that tall ass nigga. We ain't gonna do it to the nigga, but the nigga asked for it. And fuck Ray Ray with his short ass trying to give a nigga advice, man. Fuck him. I'ma rip his bitch ass soon, you dig?
And Al Jones, man, this dollar bills, man. We want to do it to you like family because somebody gave us to go. So we gonna go. You know what I'm saying? Drop that shit.
It's me, man. Dollar bills. TJ, you right. I can't see you, man. Tall motherfucker. Yo. Fuck Ray Ray and Al Jones, nigga. Y'all niggas is ghosts. I can't see you niggas, man. And I'm right here, nigga. Tryna jack me, dog. Motherfucker, think twice. Fucker with bills, you'll lose your life. Nigga, stay still, but I move like dice. Put the ball in the air, catch it like rice. Xbox, nigga, we ain't playing no games. TJ, Ray Ray, use a motherfucking lame. Niggas talking shit, what Jones to do? Somebody shooting, what the fuck Jones to do? You might run and hide like a little girl. Said, somebody please get me out of this world. You know YG's how we do's our thing. Nigga, TJ longer than the bowling lane. Rockin' Red Dog, that's the new FUBU. You got white bitches looking up to you. So how you gon' think when your kids come up, when your bitch throw up? My kids come up, goddamn TJ, you better check the bitch. I thought she had a gun, so I checked the bitch. TJ style too fucking easy. 4 fucking words just talking greasy. Tell that motherfucker keep saying the same word. Ray Ray trying to teach Lowe's how to sell birds. Your new name is Squidward. Go say your ass from 6 Mile and Woodward, bitch. Ho ass niggas, man. Fuck TJ, Al Jones, and Ray Ray. Nah, fuck that, TJ. Your new name is Byron. You was in the Navy cause the Army wouldn't hire him, motherfucker. Dollar bills. Yeah. Moraine Gang, YG's, MCM. Motherfucker made niggas get on their knees.
Something strange.
Yeah.
In the neighborhood.
Niggas is ghosts, man. Can't see you bitch ass niggas, man. That's what we is. We the new modern day Ghostbusters, bitch. You dig?
That's right. Hey, who you gonna call?
Ghostbusters. Bust your ass.
Bitch.